Ladies and gentlemen, are we all ready for the award ceremony? Thank you very much. And first we are going to start with the leadership awards for today, and to present the same, may I please invite on stage Mr. Kota Obayashi, who is the SGM at Casio India. Sir, can we please have you on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, he walks with a big round of applause, please. Thank you. And along with him, may I please invite Mr. Devi Prasad Barul, who is the co-founder and Chief Technology Officer at Leo One. So can we please have you on stage? All right. Wait. And now the first category of awards is the Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2025, and this has been bagged by Major General B.D. Wadhwa, who's the Pro-Chancellor at IILM University, Greater Noida. A very warm welcome, sir, once again on the stage, and this time as a champion. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big round of applause? And for this, the next category of awards is the Outstanding Vice Chancellor of the Year 2025, and this has been bagged by Dr. P.K. Gupta, Vice Chancellor, Lingyas Vidyapeeth. Sir, can we please have you on stage? Many congratulations, sir, for bagging this one. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. And coming up next, the next category of awards that we present is the Academician Excellence Award of the Year 2025, and this has been bagged by Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, Vice Chancellor, Maharishi University of Information Technology, Lucknow. Congratulations. Entrepreneurship Award in Higher Education 2025 has been bagged by Mr. Manu Bhaskar Gaur, who's the CEO, JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. Next is the Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2025, and this has been backed by Ankit Gandhi, who is the Pro Vice Chancellor at University of Technology, Jaipur. Congratulations, sir. And the next category of award as the Outstanding Teaching Excellence Award 2025 has been bagged by Professor Divakar Bhardwaj, who is the Pro Vice Chancellor at GLA University, Greater Noida. And the award for the Outstanding Contribution to Management Education Award 2025 has been bagged by Dr. John Matthews, the Principal and HOD at Great Lakes Institute. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, next is the most innovative marketing strategy leader 2025, and this award has been bagged by Dr. Rajiv Gupta, who's the Director Marketing and Admissions at Sharda University. So can we please have you on stage? Of awards that we are going to present is Excellence in Student Outreach, Engagement and Digital Innovation 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been bagged by Professor Dr. Pradeep Jadhav, who is the Principal at Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering for Women, Pune. Last award for the Leadership Awards category is the Emerging Leader in Higher Education 2025, and this has been bagged by Professor Dr. Rajiv Mishra, who's the Dean School of Hospitality and Tourism at Galgotia University. Congratulations, sir. Alright, the next category as we move on to the Higher Education Institutes category. The first is the Most Promising University in India, and this has been bagged by University of Technology, Jaipur. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. Is the Most Promising University in Curriculum Design and Development 2025. This has been bagged by Badruka School of Management. Congratulations, sir. Is the Most Promising University in R&D, that's the Research and Development 2025, and this has been backed by UEM University Jaipur, IEM UEM Group. Congratulations, sir. And the next category of award is the Most Promising B School of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, and this has been backed by the Chandigarh Business School of Administration. Many congratulations, ma'am. Institute in India, and this has been backed by CGC College of Engineering. Congratulations, sir, for bagging this one. Upcoming award category is the Top Emerging Institute Award 2025, and this has been backed by Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. Innovation in Higher Education and Skill Enhancements 2025, and this category has been backed by Sanskaram University. Forward, the next category is the Excellence in Technology. The next category is the Excellence in Technology Adoption, and this has been backed by the Sharda University. Forward, this is the last category of awards for higher education institutes, and the category is Innovative Practices for Academic Excellence in Higher Education 2025, and this has been backed by Sparsh Group. Congratulations, sir. All of you for joining us for the award ceremony. Thank you. As we move forward, now we have the corporates and the EdTech category of award for the higher education. And starting with the very first is the Outstanding Tech Solution Provider for Higher Education 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been backed by Casio India. The stage loves you. It keeps on calling you over and over. I please invite General B.D. Wadhwa sir to felicitate all our EdTech winners. The category is the Outstanding Entrepreneurship Education Platform of the Year 2025, ladies and gentlemen, and this has been backed by Vadhwani Ignite. Congratulations. Can we please have the Vadhwani team on stage? We move forward, the next category is the leading innovator in education loyalty rewards, and this has been backed by none other than Leo One. Big round of applause, please. Moving forward, the next category of awards is the Outstanding Innovation in AI and ML and Leading Upskilling Provider 2025, and this has been backed by Linux World Informatics. Congratulations, ma'am. Coming up next is the Outstanding Tech Solution Provider for International Schools 2025, and this has been backed by Casio India. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please put up your loudest hands together. Can we please have the Casio India team right here? The next is the most innovative EdTech of the year 2025, and this has been backed by Upgrad. Education Platform 2025. And this has been backed by PW Skills. Can we please have the PW Skills team right here with us? Many, many congratulations, sir, for bagging this one. Category of this award is the leading coaching provider for competitive examinations, and this has been backed by Shankar IAS Academy.